Hello, today I'm going to show you my Benchmade Balisong Morpho 32-inch. A nice one, I think. It's my little baby, so I say. It's my favorite knife. I have it all the time on me. Open it. See. The steel of the blade is D2 steel, and here the legs are from G10 titanium. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.